Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So we would be looking at Euro GBP for this week. Let's start with the trend at first. We can see that this trend, it is a downtrend move. Price is actually dropping, right? So eventually, price eventually, is ranging. We can take a look at this level here to be our resistance level, and this level below will be taken to be our support level. So once price comes to our resistance level, we tend to see a rejection down to our support, then a movement to our resistance, now downward to our support, then a movement to our resistance, right? This is just kind of like a liquidity. This is the literally the resistance level, but price had to go up, give us a liquidity, take out a lot of traders stop loss, because a lot of traders know that this will be the selling point. It had to go up, take out their stop loss, then now price is dropping. So we will be seeing this GBP drop to this our support level, but this correction needs to be over first. So I think this correction will come to this level of 0.68. Once it can get to that level 0.68, then I'll be expecting a drop on Euro GBP. So basically a little bit of a correction, then a drop. So as you can also see, we are trading below our 10 period simple moving average. So if you are to add your 20 period, I'm sure we will be trading below it also. Let's add this for confirmation. You can just see it. 10 period has now crossed below our 20 period. I mean, that is a setup. That should be an indication that price is now dropping. So you just want to look for a setup to go ahead and sell, right? So that is it. Now, to those of you that are having trouble growing up your account, I mean, you're actually blowing up your account on every other thing, right? Learn how to trade. And one of those ways you can learn how to trade is by signing up to our Patreon channel. So once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to our Patreon channel. Why don't you sign up? Give it a try for this month. Trade with us. We'll be giving out high probability trade that we have high possibility of winning, high probability of winning. Entry points will be shared, in-depth analysis on why we will be taking such trade. The stop loss will be shared, the take profit will be shared, and every other thing we would actually be sharing it. So these are a couple of the trade we actually took last week. You can see the playlist June 26 to 30. These are all those trades, and you can see that we had zero loss. So I'll be putting the link to those trades to this playlist of the trade we took last week, so you can go ahead and watch. Once again, why don't you just sign up and start trading in us instead of you to just be trading one way and be losing your account? You can actually sign up, become one of our subscribers, and you start trading and start making profits with us.